Hi, what's up guys? This is Alexander Bosko, and today I am going to do an unboxing of the Apple TV 4K as I have here, and I just got a 4K TV just recently.
That's why I bought this guy here.
So let's open this up, and the wrapping is already ripped up right here, so I don't have to go and get an unboxing knife for this
video, so let's get rid of the wrapping now. The moment of truth.
3, 2, 1. Okay guys, this is what you get inside the box. You get the remote, but the white circle around the menu button compared to the other one. Let me get that one. Just give me a second, guys.
Here's the
old one compared to the new one. As you guys can see right here, the difference is
it's still the same except for the white circle
is around the menu button. Let me set this to the side and the remote to the side here. Then here's the Apple TV itself here, as you guys can see, and I apologize about the lighting because I had to make some arrangements to my room. Okay, you get the power cord right here, as you guys can see. Oops, sorry about that. Here's the power cord. Okay, in here you get some instruction guides and the lightning cable for your remote, and that's in the box, and nobody reads this crap. So here's the Apple TV itself.
It looks the same as the
previous generation
except for the fans
on the back here. So let's take the plastic off now. Alright, the back, it shows a HDMI power and a Ethernet,
and there is no USB Type-C port here because Apple removed it. Let me get the light in here.
I apologize about the lighting again. Hi guys, I'm back. I apologize for the disturbance
when somebody has entered into my room, and now I am going to set this up and I will be right back.
Hi guys, I am back, and now my Apple TV 4K is now set up. And by the way, this is my new 4K TV right here, if you don't know. And as I said, my Apple TV 4K is now set up, and I hope you guys did like this unboxing video, and please remember to subscribe for more Adventure Time plush videos, and more gaming videos, and more tutorials for Apple devices, and more unboxings and reviews. And please comment and rate this video, and please subscribe if you are new to my channel. And if you do subscribe, please turn on the upload post notification so you guys can stay up to date when I upload a new video. And now this will be Alexander Bosko signing off, guys. And peace out. Bye, guys. Peace out.